So what do you really need to know in order to capture an image or record a video from your screen? This is Snagit. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use. In fact, there are only 3 buttons you need to know to get started. If you want to capture an image, click this one. If you want to record a video, including system audio and audio from your microphone if you have one, click this one. For now, let's just capture an image. When you're ready, click this red capture button. See how you've got these crosshairs? Use them to select the thing that you want to capture. Just click or drag and click to select a portion of your screen. And when you let go, pow! Your capture appears in the Snagit editor. For this intro video, we won't spend a lot of time here. But to get you thinking, the editor is where you could fancy your image up. Add a border, arrows, stamps, resize the image, and so forth. Instead of walking through this now, have some fun. Play around a bit and see what you can do. Or visit our Getting to Know the Editor tutorial. And just to be clear, Snagit can edit almost any image. It doesn't have to be one you captured off your screen. You may be asking, how do I share this image with others? Well, you could save it like this. You may be used to saving things on your computer like this already. Snagit also has this handy Share tab. It lets you automatically put your image or video in common destinations. For example, maybe you're making a handout and need this in Microsoft Word. Just click here. Let's close with a quick word about sharing videos. There are 2 sharing destinations that are especially well suited for video sharing. You can make a free account on Screencast.com from TechSmith. It's a private place to host your images and videos and allows you to easily share them with others. Videos and images look great here, no matter how much screen they use. Also, if you have a YouTube login, you can send videos from your Snagit library instantly to your YouTube channel. Now go have some fun exploring Snagit and trying things out. We've provided more tutorial videos and help in the table below. Thanks for watching!